In a previous video, I showed you how to create a dual boot setup of Ubuntu and Fedora, that shares the same user home directory, secured with encryption. I will include a link to that video in the description if you wish to watch it. In that video, I mentioned that once we have the shared user home directory, we can share Flatpak applications between Ubuntu and Fedora. We just have to get Flatpak infrastructure running on Ubuntu and Fedora, and install our Flatpak applications per user with Flatpaks /user flag. When we do that, any Flatpak application we install will be available on both Ubuntu and Fedora. This method is tremendously helpful if you want to keep using your usual set of applications, but try Ubuntu and Fedora separately. So, let's dive right into it and see how it is done. First, let's boot into the Fedora installation. I am going to install the Flatpak application called Extensions Manager to test this cross-OS application installation. So let's make sure that we don't have it already. The application launcher doesn't find it in the system. So we can install the Extensions Manager application. Open your web browser and go to the flathub.org website. Then click the Quick Setup button there. You will be taken to the setup page of the flatpak.org website. From there, select your operating system. Right now, we will choose Fedora. Copy the command at the bottom of the Fedora setup page, and paste it into your terminal. However, be sure to add --user to the end of the copied command, before you hit enter. Before we actually execute the command, let's open the folder inside our user home folder that our Flatpak applications will be installed into, so that we can verify that the new application indeed gets installed there. The target folder for the per-user Flatpak applications is .local/share/flatpak/app, inside your user home folder. Right now, we will monitor the Flatpak folder for changes. Now, let's execute the command. Let's go back to the flathub.org website and get the command to install the Extensions Manager application now. Search for Extensions Manager in the flathub.org search box. Open the application result that looks similar to what you see in the video. Scroll to the bottom of the application page, and copy the install command. Paste the copied command to the terminal, but be sure to add the --user flag to the end of the command similar to last time. Now accept the prompts the installer gives you. Now we have to wait a little bit while Flatpak downloads our application and installs it. If we search in the applications launcher now, we can find the Extensions Manager application there. Let's also check the Flatpak folder I mentioned previously to make sure that the application is installed there. Let's boot into Ubuntu now to see how we can run exactly the same application in Ubuntu. First, let's make sure that Ubuntu doesn't show us the Extensions Manager app yet in the applications launcher, because Ubuntu doesn't come with Flatpak out of the box. However, once we install Flatpak, all Flatpak applications you install within Fedora will show up in Ubuntu and vice versa. We can also make sure that Flatpak is not installed on Ubuntu by running the "which Flatpak" command. If Flatpak was installed, this command will show us the location of the Flatpak program. Let's open the browser and go to the flatpak.org website. We can directly go into the Ubuntu Quick Setup page. Now we can install the Flatpak program by following the instructions on that page. You can use the sudo apt install flatpak command to install the Flatpak program. And then you can copy and paste the command for adding the Flathub repository. But be sure to type in the extra --user flag just like we did in Fedora. You can also open the same folder as we did in Fedora just to be sure that we are indeed using the same folder. As this is the first time we installed Flatpak on Ubuntu, let's restart the computer to allow everything to come into effect. You don't have to restart when you install new Flatpak applications in the future. Now try searching for Extensions Manager in the Applications Launcher. You'd be able to see it there this time. We didn't explicitly install Extensions Manager on Ubuntu. The Flatpak application that we installed using Fedora is now being used by Ubuntu. This happens because we installed this application inside the user's home folder with the --user flag of Flatpak. Flatpak has now become my favorite new generation application packaging format in the Linux world, due to its ability to install applications in user home folders, which allows multiple operating systems to share exactly the same application. Upimage also has that feature, but it lacks a central point of trust like Flathub. One can argue both for and against that approach. Thank you very much for watching this. Do let me know if you found this interesting. Will you attempt to do this on your computer?